Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be showing you how to set up Virgin Media. That's the broadband hub and phone. I assume you already have the cables installed by the engineer. That's the cable from the street leading to the brown box outside of your home to the wall sockets inside your home, which is this here. I received a notification from Virgin saying my kit is on its way, and then they sent me another notification with a barcode to collect at my chosen store, which I have already collected, and here it is. Before I can install the hub, I'm going to reply go to this message to activate it. So type go in there, and you get a reply from Virgin saying it's activated and to set up the kit in the next 12 hours. Okay, so I'm ready to set up my kit. So let's get it open. We have the manual instructions, the hub, the power lead plug, the phone cable and filter, the rest of the power cable lead, and that's just the Ethernet cable here. This is the wall cable socket, and that's it. So let me just remind you of what we received in the kit. Here it is. Let me just remove the protective film. So it says connect the wall socket cable marked in red into the wall socket box, which is this here. Just let me just quickly untie it, and it says do not screw but push in. It's not going in for some reason. I wonder why. So, it would help if I remove the protective cap first, wouldn't it? Okay, let's try again. Remember, do not screw it in, just push it in. And you want to do the same with the black label, just push it in the hub. So just make sure you push it right in, like so. The next thing I'm going to do is connect the power lead cables together, plug it in and connect it to the back of the hub. And switch it on. What now? Your new hub will now make a connection to our fibre network, which will take a few minutes, so sit back and enjoy the flashing light display. When the Wi-Fi light is on, that's the green light at the top, and the base light is solid white, you are ready to go. The last thing to show you is how to set up the Wi-Fi on your laptop, and to do this you will need your Wi-Fi network name and password, which you will find hidden on the base. So click on the network Wi-Fi, the bottom right hand corner, and you need to look for your network name that was supplied by your provider and click on connect. As I've already put the password in, it will always automatically connect me, but if you're doing this for the first time, it will prompt you to put your password in. So just let me just disconnect, and I'm going to select this here just to show you what I mean. So as you can see, it asks you for your password, which is a 12-letter long character letter for Virgin. So click connect. So had this been my network name, it would connect me automatically, but as it isn't, I'm just going to quickly cancel that and connect it to my network. Okay, You can click on properties to change the settings, but I'm just going to leave everything as it is for the moment. Okay, the last thing to do is connect the phone. So back to the hub, and if you don't have a phone wall socket installed, you can simply connect your phone directly to the hub by using the phone filter, which is this here. That was supplied with your kit, and you just slot it in here. So just slot that in the telephone sockets on your hub and connect the phone cable in here. Yeah, I would need to tidy all the wires up when I get a chance. They're a bit messy down there. Okay, connect the other end to your phone like that, and that's it. So the next job is to fix the Virgin wall phone socket that's come away from the wall. Some of the phone wires have also disconnected from the inside of the box. So I'll have to plaster the wall first, then connect the wires up. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and click on the notification bell to see how I get on with that. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. So the next thing to do is fix the wall.